At ang susunod at panghuli nating bahagi ng ating palaro, gagawa kayo ng panghimagas!
Disorta!
Ngayon, nasa harapan na ng ating mga kalahok ang samut-saring mga sangkap sa paggawa ng panghimagas.
But wait! Before that, we need the most important ingredient, which is... crushed ice. Crushed ice.
Teka. Ano-ano ba yung mga ingredients dyan, chef?
Mas mabuti pa, tutalain ko na lang.
Yes.
Panghimagas na Pilipino. Baw. Panghimagas na Pilipino, masarap at masustansya ito. May prutas gaya ng pinya, saging na saba at mangga. Mga sangkap na pampalamig, sago, gulaman, pinipig. Munggo, garbanzos at buko kaong, beans at nata de coco. Mayroon din tayong langka at melon na maganda sa ating nutrisyon. Mais na nagpapalakas at mani na isip pinapatalas. Gatas para sa matibay na buto, ito ang aking paborito. Tsaka mayroon ding ginayat na yelo, panghimagas na Pilipino!
Beautiful number and explanation, although I did not understand it that much. Anyways, AJ, Sophia, are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Mitch, Andre, are you ready?
Ready!
Your timer begins now.
So, kuha tayo ng saging. Buralak! Both teams!
So ngayon naglalagay na kami ng sago, nalagyan na namin ng beans tsaka ng pigil. Okay, lagyan natin sago.
Ako maglalagay ako.
Sige. After nung, konti lang kasi bumumay maumay sila. Mga tatlo lang. Okay.
Kukuha po ngayon ng yelo para po sa pangalawa. Si AJ po, kumuha po siya ng pinipig. Go push.
Ang unang kalahok, binibining Mitch at Ginoong Andre. Ano naman ang pangalan ng inyong panghimagas?
Halo-halo love. Kasi puno yan ng pagmamahal, lalo na hindi kami away.
I think what you did here was good. See the
Good!
banana, leche flan, my favorite.
Oh, favorite too.
Nice. I wish you luck and
Ang ginawa ng panghimagas ay masarap na masarap. Oh! Tsaka yung tamis, tama-tama lang.
Your dessert was perfect. I loved it. You had banana, sago, leche flan, also my favorite. Overall, I give it a delicious type. I love it.
Thank you very much.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Buralak.
May you please call our next contestant, which is Sophia and AJ. Can you please tell us what is the name of this?
Halo-halong sarap.
First of all, the eyes is stick together, which I did not like it much because the eyes is on one peg and it's not like the other team. Your dish was perfect, delicious. And I hope you keep up. Good luck.
Thank you.
Para sa akin, ang ginawa niyong panghimagas ay masarap.
Thank you.
Sarap.
Po.
I think the taste was nice, but I think you had too much ice. For me, you see, it's almost the whole bowl.
Exactly,
When I
exactly.
tried to do this, it's
More toppings, yeah?
happened here, but I think it's nice. It's good. Arigatou gozaimasu and good luck.
Thank you. Let's go.
Hi. You were all good, you were all outstanding, you were all great, you were all amazing cookers. So I would like to commend you guys. And I just want to let you guys know, whoever wins all these is still a champion in their hearts. Yes, but there can only be one winner, and we're going to be finding out that.
Sapagkat binigyan niyo kami ng masasarap na pagkain sa hapagkainan.
Hi!
Binabati ko kayo at pinupuri sa inyong mga ginawang pagkain.
Lahat kayo, para sa akin ay paralo. Pero, dahil ito ay kompetisyon, pero dapat isa mananalo. At ngayon, sasabihin na natin ang panalo.
And now, for the tiebreaker, Team Sophia and Team Mitch. I want to say, good job. You guys have made it this far of this competition, and this is going to be the finals. So whether you guys win or lose, you guys are champions by mind and
By heart.
By heart. And now the champion for the dessert and the overall